Okay, the problem was L39 where it goes through the PC board. L39, let me point that out to you. That's this little guy right here. This lead, where it goes through the board and picks up power on the other side, it wasn't all the way through the board. In fact, this end of it was standing up quite a bit. So it was touching the solder, and the very end of the lead was soldered, but I guess during transport it broke loose. So it wasn't supplying voltage to this guy. So this guy wasn't doing any amplification. So what I had to do was push him further through the board and then solder it on the back side of the board. So it's working now. 1000-watt slug on this side. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio. 500-watt slug on that side. So we're doing over 500 RMS and over 1000 peak. And for those that wanted to see it on the spectrum analyzer, here's my Regal. Now I'm going from 10 megahertz all the way up through 55 megahertz. Okay, attenuation is set for a reference of -5 dBm. Okay, audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Hello, audio. So for all of you naysayers that were talking about how dirty these amplifiers are, they're not. They're pretty damn clean. But there it is. That was the only problem. I'll get it boxed up and shipped back to you. And yes, I did go around and check other components to make sure we didn't have the same problem with those. That was the only one, thank goodness. I initially thought that this guy was bad, but he checked good on my tester, and so I left him in there. And you see that little resistor that's raised up right there? I thought, oh boy, there's another one. But no, his leads went on through the board and got soldered very well. So by him standing up like that, it keeps him cooler, so I just didn't mess with it. But I need to put the covers back on it and everything, and get her boxed up and sent back out to you. Sorry that happened, but you know, I mean, things like that do happen sometimes. But anyway, that's why it was not transmitting. The radio works fine now, as you can see. I'll show you again. Let's see, what am I on? I'm on AM. No, I'm on sideband. Audio. It's way over there. All right. Let's switch to AM real quick so I can show you that. We're dead keying about 250 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2. Swinging way over 1000. Like I said, 500-watt slug on that side, so we're reading on the center scale. So he's going up to about 250. Hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Let's see that frequency. That's dead center. 27205 right there. And you can see when I talk how the wave, the solder wave, moves around. Okay. All right. So this is not a splash box. This really works. All right. I'll get it boxed up and shipped back to you after I put it back together, of course. 7-3, everybody.